Whether it's a river, a busy road or a railway track, there can be many barriers to journeys, particularly when walking or wheeling. Infrastructure which overcomes these barriers can not only reduce travel times, but also link people with new destinations such as jobs, schools and healthcare, as well as connecting them to key transport interchanges. Let's look at the impact of adding a new footbridge to connect Birmingham and Althorpe in North Lincolnshire. These two villages are separated by the River Trent, leading to a 40-minute walk between two villages which are only around 100 metres apart. A footbridge would greatly increase the area which can be accessed from each village within a 60-minute walk, particularly to areas south of Keighley Bridge. This has the knock-on effect of connecting Birmingham to the higher frequency bus services in Althorpe, allowing twice as many North Lincolnshire residents to access Birmingham within 60 minutes by public transport. If you'd like to learn more about how TRACC can help you to analyse the impact of new infrastructure, please get in touch.